Hello students, welcome back to E-Class of St. Xavier School, Adipur. Today we will be learning more about past tense in part 3. Okay, till part 2 what we have covered? We have covered till simple past tense and past continuous. Simple past tense already happened and we use V2 form of the verb, isn't it? Like buy, bought. Isn't it? Want, wanted. Some are regular verbs, some are irregular verbs. Irregular verbs are those where you don't add D or ED. Regular verbs are those where you add D or ED and make it into or convert it into past tense. Past continuous talking about. Past continuous means an event or incident that happened in the past and continued for a definite time. We add was or were depending upon the subject plus ing form of the main verb. Till here we finished. Okay, now let's learn more about it. Past perfect tense. The past perfect is used to talk about a past event that already happened before another event in the past. Okay, one action happened and another event you started with it in the past itself. So it is used, it is also expressed as past in the past. Past perfect verb forms have this structure. Now what is the formation? Each and every tense has got its own formation. So past perfect tense too has got its own formation. Had plus past participle of the main verb. Past participle V3 form. Buy, bought, bought. Grow, grew, grown. Isn't it? So grown and bought is V3 form, past participle form of the verb. We have three forms, V1, V2, V3. So here you have to use V3 form of the verb. For example, Salim had started. Had. Here you don't have to see whether the subject is a singular or plural. Whereas in present perfect you have to see whether the subject is a singular or plural. Isn't it? Singular hai to has, plural hai to have. I exceptional case. Okay. So here in past perfect you don't have that tension. Directly write had. Understood? Had started. Ed. V3 form. The smugglers had already cut the tree before the forest guards arrived. Had already cut. Cut remains the same in all the three forms. Cut, cut, cut. Put, put. Understood? These all are irregular verbs. It remains as it is in all the three forms. So had cut, had already cut. Exercise 7. Complete the following sentences using the past perfect forms of the verbs in brackets. Now here blanks are given to you, verbs are also given to you. You have to convert it into V3 form and make it past perfect. So let's start. Sumesh had left for home before his parcel arrived. Leave, left, and had. That is what the formation. Had plus V3 form of the past participle. Ansari's cat had killed. Kill, killed the pigeon before we saw it. Yesterday, we again saw the man who had sold us his bicycle. Sell, sold. After everyone had given. Give, gave, given. So given is the V3 form, past participle. Had given their speeches. Dinner was served. I had forgotten to lock the room before I went out. Forget. So forget, forgot, forgotten. So V3 form, past participle, forgotten. Amar had pulled the trigger before Nazima could stop him. Pull, pulled. Next. They shifted to the place where they had lived earlier. Live, lived. The guide took us to a go down where 100 soldiers had hidden. Hide, hid, hidden. So hidden is a past participle during the war. Ankit showed us the video he had shot at the fair. Shoot, shot. Vinith decided to buy the picture book which he had seen on a website. See, saw, seen. So seen is the past participle of the verb see. Next, how to form negative sentences and questions in the past perfect tense. Very logic, very common. We have done this in present tense also. Understood? What we have to add if it is negative? Then not, N-O-T or N''T. Anyone will do. To make the negative of a past perfect construction, we add not or N''T after had. For example, Salim had not started or hadn't started. V3 remains as it is. The car by the time Meena came with the bag. The smugglers hadn't cut, put. Understood? These are irregular verbs. It remains as it is. No change from the base form till the V3 form. The tree by the time the forest guards arrived. Now, to make a question, what is the format for that? To make a question in the past perfect, put had before the subject. For example, had, subject, started, that is V3 form. The car by the time Meena came with the bag, question mark, don't forget to put that. Had the smugglers cut the tree by the time the forest guards arrived? Now, moving on to exercise 8. Correct and rewrite the following sentences using the correct form of the past tense. Here, you have to add past simple past as well as past perfect. Okay. The train started to move before all the passengers had got in. See, in all the questions, we have got two events. Understood? Two actions happening. So, what it is called past perfect means it is also expressed as past in the past. So, one we will consider it as simple past. Understood? The train had started to move before all passengers got in. Simple past and past perfect. Yesterday, Sumit had showed me the camera he bought in Dubai. Yesterday, Sumit showed me the camera he had bought in Dubai. In the news, I had seen the building which the missile hit. In the news, I saw the building which the missile had hit. I asked Pradeep if he took my binoculars. I asked Pradeep if he had taken my binoculars. Ramesh and Seema had not attended the meeting to which they were invited. Ramesh and Seema did not attend the meeting, did not, past tense, did not attend the meeting to which they had been invited. Our team had visited the school where one of our presidents studied. Our team visited the school where one of our presidents had studied. Amin had asked for the same kind of pencil box which his friends bought. Amin asked for the same kind of pencil box which his friends had bought. Next. The soldiers had entered the ship which the pirates hijacked. The soldiers entered the ship which the pirates had hijacked. Vinita had ignored the warnings the police officer gave. Vinita ignored the warnings the police officer had given. The man whom the police caught had escaped. The man whom the police had caught escaped. Understood? Past perfect, simple past. Next. Moving on to exercise 9. Make sentences in the past perfect using the verbs given below. So here some words are given to you and you have to make sentences out of it using past perfect. What you will use? Had plus V3 form of the main verb. Okay. This do it by yourself. Okay. Next. Now past perfect continuous. We learned simple past, we learned past continuous, we learned past perfect tense. Now it's time to learn and know more about past perfect continuous. The past perfect continuous tense is used to describe an activity or situation that began before the time we are talking about in the past. So it started before while talking about in the past, about the past. It has the structure. What is the structure? Had plus been plus ing form of the main verb. For example, Alina had been ing form of the main verb. The flowers when she heard a loud noise. See, while we were talking about the past, about in the past, heard, past, simple past. The children had been ing to the garden when Santa Claus appeared. See, simple past, talking in the about in the past, in front of them. Next, exercise 10. Complete the following sentences using appropriate clauses with past perfect continuous verb forms. The main verbs are given in brackets. Santosh looked all drenched because he had been playing in the rain. इसीलिए वो गीला लग रहा था, isn't it? Play. Next, when Arvind won his first prize for poetry, he had been writing poems for almost 30 years or 20 years, whatever you feel. Right. So, he had been writing. Next, Tanya had been watching TV when her mother asked her to start studying. These are the clauses given to you, okay? Using appropriate clauses, and you have to fill it with the past perfect continuous. What is the format? Had plus been plus ing form of the main verb, okay? Now, Nandana finally killed the wasp that had been pesting her. So, had been ing. Okay. Next, I used an empty bottle that had been lying on the table. Lying. When Hashim came to Bangalore, he had been carrying 4 heavy bags. He had been carrying. When I entered the room, Suman put away the books she had been reading. Had been reading. Okay. Suman had been sleeping when the officer entered. Sleeping. The officer asked them what they had been doing. Doing, ing form. Okay. Next, moving on to the negative sentences and questions in the past perfect continuous. To make the negative of the past perfect continuous, we just add not or n apostrophe t to had. For example, Alina hadn't or had not been arranging flowers when she heard a loud noise. The children had not been walking to the garden when Santa Claus appeared in front of them. Now, how to form question? Is in the present perfect continuous, we put had before the subject, like what we do in other tenses also. Had Alina been arranging flowers when she heard the noise? Question mark. Had subject been, then ing form of the verb in the garden when Santa Claus came. Okay. Next, exercise 11. Given below are the responses to some questions in the past perfect continuous. Rewrite the positive responses as negative. Okay, if it is negative, write it in positive. If it is positive, write it in negative. And negative responses as positive. Then write the questions in the past perfect. Okay. First of all, you have to rewrite it into positive or negative responses, and then you have to convert it into questions as well in the past perfect continuous to which they are answers. Now, No, I hadn't been sleeping when the explosion occurred. Now this is negative, so we have to make it into positive. Yes, I had been sleeping. Understood? When the explosion occurred. Question. Had, subject, been, ing when the explosion occurred. Yes, Tanisha had been working on her project on that day. This is positive. So negative you will write. No, Tanisha hadn't been working her project that day. Question. Had Tanisha been working her project that day? Next. Kiran's friends had been riding the big wheel when she joined them. Now this is positive. Understood? There is not is not there. So this is positive. So negative. Kiran's friends had not been riding the big wheel when she joined them. Okay? Had not been riding. Question. Had Kiran's friends been riding the big wheel when she joined them? Ankurnath had been working in the field when he saw a strange light in the bush. Now this is positive, isn't it? So negative. Ankurnath had not been working in the field when he saw a strange light in the bush. Question. Had Ankurnath been working in the field when he saw a strange light in the bush? Arundhati's cat had been digging mud when it spotted the old bangle. So, this also positive. So, negative we will make. Arundhati's cat had not been digging mud when it spotted the old bangles. Now, question. How we will make question? Had Arundhati's cat been digging mud when it spotted the old bangles? Okay. So, I finished this chapter, children. Hope you understood this chapter very well. Go through the exercises very well. Write the exercises in your notebook. See the video properly. Okay. Take care. Bye.